all, thanks for watching. Just want to point out first of all that I don't really do reviews, so this is first for me, but let's give it a go. So we'll have a look in the box, see what I got sent. Nice little box here, looks pretty. Nothing else in there, get rid of that. So I've been chatting with these guys for a little while. Used to be Vulcanet UK, the main UK stockist of Vulcanet. So if you've ever spoken to anyone about Vulcanet in the UK, it's probably the same guys. I've been speaking to a guy called Carl, proper nice bloke. Sent me these to try out, give him my honest opinion on them. Explained to him that I'm pretty keen with the routine I currently do, but you know, I'll give anything a go once, see what they're like. Pretty box, very nice. So what comes in it. Nice little microfiber cloth on the top there. Good quality one by the looks of it. It's nice. Good for buffing it up afterwards. And then we've got the tub of wipes, quite heavy. 80 wipes in a tub. Nice, pretty new packaging. Keen to give them a go, see what they do. By the looks of this, looks like they do pretty much everything, so let's get stuck in, see how we get on. So this is the bike we're going to be testing the wipes on. This is my friend's Z750. My Z1000 is off the road until next summer. Having some work done to it, so I could clean it, but it's not going to get dirty again. And ideally, I want to use the product a few times to give my honest opinion on it. This is obviously just the first go, so there will be a follow-up video once I've used them a few times. This bike is clean the same way as mine. Wiped down with good clean with Auto Glim. Quite expensive, but does the job. And then we use a Rhino Goo polish afterwards. It's been out for a couple of rides, so it's got bugs on it. It's a bit dirty. Yeah, it's not filthy, but you know, it's dirty. I'll also be testing it out on a few other bikes as well. See how we get on with that. But this one's got a bit of dirt on it, a bit of grime on the wheels, bugs all over it. You know, a bit of oil and brake dust on the wheels as well. So we'll see how we get on. So I wanted to give this a proper good hard test, so decided to go with using just 2 wipes to do the whole bike. So it's simply a case of wiping it over. Once the bike has got a bit of moisture on it from the wipe, you can give it a little bit more pressure, go over it. Glides across the paintwork quite nicely, lifts all the dirt away, no issues at all with that, and leaves like a little residue behind. So while you're watching a bit of this, I'll read out some of the gumph it says about it on the box. Cleans and protects all types of bodywork, matte and gloss, by depositing an invisible, waterproof and anti-static film. Cleans, shines and protects all other surfaces. Removes bugs, tar and tree sap on bodywork, headlights, plastic, metals and glass. Vanishes grease and grime on wheels, rims and trims without altering their beauty. Cleans and protects leather, suede and alcantara. I'm not sure what the fuck that is. Cleans and protects, shines all metal including chrome and aluminium. Cleans mirrors, screens and visors, depositing an anti-pollution film. Cleans and protects your engine, entire motorcycle, trike or scooter. Thunderbolt even repels dirt and water. So recently they've changed it a little bit, so it's got a nicer smell. It's nicer to your skin, so it's not going to cause you any skin issues or anything like that when you're using it over a prolonged time. And as long as the wipe is wet, you can carry on using it as far as I'm aware. So that's pretty good. It says here you get 80 in a pot plus a microfiber, and it'll do the average size motorbike 25 to 30 times. So if you think 30 quid a pot, that's a pound a clean. I currently use Auto Glim motorcycle cleaner, which is fairly expensive. You can see here, look, it leaves like a little residue behind. and that gets buffed up in a minute. You'll see that shortly with that cloth up there. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Goes on quite nicely. Quite impressed with how well it's getting the dirt off. But I like a shine, so not using a polish I'm a bit wary about, and the wheels I'm a bit wary about, so we'll see how we get on. So we're going to give it a little polish up now, give it a little buff, see how it comes along. I'll skip a bit of this, you don't need to see all of it. So here we go, give it a quick once over with the cloth. Obviously this isn't a deep clean, we've just wiped over it. See how it looks, and I must say I'm mighty impressed. The wheels I'm most impressed with. I normally use WD-40 and baby wipes to get the grounded crap off my wheels, but a little bit of pressure and these took it right off. Come up with a nice shine. The bike looks pretty good. My mate who owns the bike, Will, he's pretty anal about his cleaning as well, with the likes a nice shine on the paintwork when he goes out. And for a quick once over, we're both quite impressed. Clearly needs to oil his chain. Bike's still outside, doesn't ride it very much. But yeah, very impressed with the outcome, must say. Looking forward to using it a few more times in the future. And then we'll bang another video together. And yeah, but so far, so good. Very, very impressed. Could well be converted. Paintwork come up beautifully. Nice shine to it. Looks really good. Very happy with the product. I think I've converted Will as well. I think he's going to be buying some once his auto glims run out. I think that's it. It was a lot quicker and easier. So thanks for watching, guys. Definitely get over there and order some of these wipes. If you're in the Z Owners Club, we're going to try and sort out a deal for everyone. Appreciate everyone watching. I'll post a video on YouTube. I'll post it on the Twat forum, and I'll also post it on the Z Owners Club. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care.